Which one is your favorite one?
My favorite one is USA.
Okay.
With that France and that Canada.
Somebody feel ashamed.
Jamaica again, choose. You know, like Jamaica flag?
Yes, I do. And also the Jamaican flag. Jump, 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 jump.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Hey, I'm up. My baby wake me up. My big baby wake me up this morning and said he wants pancake for breakfast. So I'm in the kitchen making pancake right now. I wish I could be in bed, but duty calls, so I've gotta do what I gotta do. So I'm making breakfast for him right now for the family. Baby's still in bed, Sarah is up though. So since I'm in the kitchen right now, I'm just gonna do the kitchen and jump right into dinner. Oh.
Good morning. So we are going to help Mama today.
To do what?
To make the pancake, but not to fry it, to put the honey on it.
Oh, okay. Alright.
But I'm just going to look how Mama going to fry it.
It's almost finished frying.
Yes, but I'm just looking.
And then in this pot here, Mama have peas cooking to make rice and peas for dinner.
Ooh.
And I'm gonna make rice and peas with what? Goat. Your favorite?
Yeah. You know what my favorite thing to eat?
What?
My favorite nut is my favorite dumpling, pancake,
Okay.
goat,
Okay.
and then spaghetti,
Okay.
and then gnocchi.
And then gnocchi?
Yeah?
Okay. Alright, you're getting heavy now. Come down. Go sit at the table. Breakfast is coming.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you guys Sarah in a bit as soon as I finish these pancakes. And I'm just gonna jump straight into dinner, cook it, and go back in my bed because I am tired. So I'm just going through the motions of the kitchen right now. And I know Sarah is going back to nap, so by the time Sarah ready to nap, hopefully I finish cooking. And she's rubbing her eyes already like she's ready to go back to sleep right now. Alright, pancake is done. I'm gonna go ahead and make some eggs for babe. And then Tyler only wants his pancakes with
Honey.
honey. So Tyler can get his pancakes now.
Mama, let's make
Pancakes ready. You guys, guess what is also happening today? I'm using my Dutchie! Today, I'm using my Dutchie.
Mama, what's the Dutchie?
This pot. So I'm using my Dutchie for the first time today to do my curry goat for dinner. And in the meantime, I'm gonna make some salad. I'm really on a mission. I'm just getting it. Let me show you guys Sarah.
It's an awful yeah. That's the breakfast that I wanted for salad.
My little screamer. Good morning, Sarah. Little screamer. You little screamer. You little screamer. Teething struggles. When I tell you that Sarah have a personal entertainer, I'm not even joking. I am not even kidding you. You guys, I almost finished done in the kitchen. Let me show you guys where I'm at right now. My mutton just finished pressuring and now it's going to finish cook. Yes, this looks so good. So I'm gonna cover this and let it finish cooking. And my rice and peas finished cooking. Look at that, it looks so good. And I made some salad. Where is it? I have some salad here. Boom. So dinner is done. Dinner is done before lunch is ready. I can't believe that. So dinner is done. Dinner. You guys, that's the finished look of mutton. And I can't wait for dinner, so I'm going to have some right now.
I see somebody. I see somebody sweating. Somebody sweating. Look at that. Look at that foot moving. Choo, 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 choo. Look at that. Heyo. The struggle. The struggle. Tyler is obsessed with flag. We realize Tyler is obsessed with, every time we go in somewhere, he wants to know what is the flag of. I was downstairs looking at some stuff and I found some flag that I had in the past. So we're gonna play a game and see if Tyler knows the flag that I have. You ready to play?
Yes.
So if you don't know, you can ask Mama what it is.
And if Mama don't know,
She's
gonna ask Papa.
Oh, Sarah?
Yes.
Alright. Let's see. The first flag that I have. Let's see the first flag. What it looks like. What it looks like.
Mama.
What it looks
you
like.
tell Papa what flag is that?
Canada!
Yes.
Yes, Canada! Canada! Canada!
Look
Canada! 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 Canada!
This one is for you.
Yay!
Let's see the other flag that I have. What is that? Can you recognize this? Or I have to open it more?
Open it more.
Open it more. What is that?
Open it more.
Open it fully.
Open it more. Jamaica! 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 Jamaica!
I guess Canada beat Jamaica.
With the
Jamaica!
excitement.
Jamaica! Jamaica!
Canada won, Jamaica won, but...
Near habit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see if you'll be excited about the next.
I'll open that one more. The dog.
This one.
Ooh.
What is this?
Open it more.
You get it?
France.
You're good.
France.
This one is for you.
Yes.
I think France beat Jamaica.
Canada get the loudest place.
Yeah,
France
Canada
is
get
in
the
second.
loudest
Jamaica is in third for
Oh,
now.
lordy.
He's obsessed with Canadian flag.
What is the next one?
Oh, open it more.
Come around here, so I want to
Open
see your
it
face.
more. Open it more. Open it more. USA.
Let's see. This one is gonna be hard for him.
Just show him all the flag, man. Come on.
Open it more.
Mama can help you.
More.
Mama can help you. Mama can help you.
Look at it.
Mama, what flag it is?
You remember you asked me about the towel I had in the bathroom?
Yes.
Which country I tell you it is?
I don't remember.
Did you remember the towel you just asked me about in the bathroom? No?
Is
Bahamas.
Bahamas.
for you.
Yay!
Which other one do I have here? This one is for Mama. Okay, this one is Mama guess. This one is for you.
More. Open it more. Open it all more. Open it all more. Ooh, I don't
I know it.
like it.
This one is for Mama.
Come let me tell you.
Barbados.
Barbados.
Good job. Good job, good job.
You don't have any more in there?
I have 3 more.
Show him all of them, man.
I have 3 more. I have one that
Why are you hiding it? Is controversial?
Oh no,
Come on, show him the flag.
Alright, this one, I'm not gonna say which one it is. It's a guess.
For who? For me?
For all of the faves. If one knows which one is that,
Ooh, it's too hard for me.
you're not gonna find it, Tyler. You're not gonna find this one.
Oh, it's too hard.
Turn it around to Faves. So Faves have to guess which flag is this.
Which flag is that?
Turn it around, let me see it.
You try to read?
Turn it around, man.
You're not gonna find it. I can bet €1,000 right now that you're not gonna find it.
C'est le drapeau
The
de
sports team.
C'est le drapeau de Québec.
No.
C'est parce que le lac de Québec, c'est comme ça.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
Is a sport team.
No.
C'est pour
I don't know.
It's for
I know you don't
So
know.
tell me now.
It's Massachusetts.
Oh,
Wait.
okay. Well, let's see if the Faves gonna get it.
And what about this one?
Oh, open it more. Open it more. Too hot for me. Too hot for me.
This one is too hard for you.
Oh, yes.
This one is
Morocco, Cambodia.
Cambodia. Right.
Mama.
Right.
Your godfather is from Cambodia.
Oh.
Cambodia. Cambodia is not far from Thailand or China. Let's see the last one. This one is hard if you don't read. If you read, it's easy.
Hot for me.
What is that, Tyler?
Wait.
Pronounce the word.
And you can see that it's written in French. So which one is your favorite one?
My favorite one is USA.
Okay.
With that France and that Canada.
Somebody feel ashamed.
Jamaica again, choose. You know, like Jamaica flag?
Yes, I did. And also the Jamaican.
I'm grateful this one.
I choose USA and Canada over
Canada.
Jamaica flag.
Oh.
How dare you?
And I have Jamaica too.
Thank you, Santa Claus. You did good. You did good.
Good job, Ty. You did well.
You did very well.
Pack it up now.